everybody. Today we are doing a day in the life of what the Saleh family does. Today is a school day, so we're going to get the girls ready. We're gonna go downstairs, we're gonna have breakfast, and then we're gonna come back up and homeschool. For those of you that don't know, we homeschool our two sweet girls. And we actually did a video about why we homeschool them. I'll either tag it up here or I'll link it in the description or somewhere so you can check it out. There's actually been a lot of requests on how we homeschool them. We haven't filmed that video yet, but if you want to see it, definitely leave us a little like on this video and comment down below letting us know that that's something that you want to see, and then hopefully we can start filming that one soon. Mr. Milo wants some food. Do you want some food, Milo? Are you hungry? Oh, are you so stinking cute? Let's go get some food. Come on. Come on, let's go get some food. Come on. Come on. Okay, mister. Go ahead and eat. Go ahead and eat. You probably can't hear him, but he's purring away. I think he's more curious about the camera more than anything. There you go. We lock his food up because Milo eats his food. It drives me crazy. He's definitely the one that doesn't like to eat, and the other cat loves to eat. So we have to make sure his food is nowhere near the other one, or the other one's just gonna eat it. See? There you go. Now he's gonna eat. And once he's done eating, we'll let him out. Every morning, we open up our curtains. And of course, it is October here in the Toronto area, so it is very gloomy and not so nice. All right, so I'm gonna get the girls ready. I'll show you how I get the girls ready every day. Although we actually have a morning routine video, I think we do on our channel. I think we actually have a video showing our morning routine, but regardless, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna head downstairs. My princesses wanted to say hi. Say hi. Hello. So, of course, we have two children and toys seem to get everywhere every single day. And as much as we like to clean up after we're done playing, it doesn't always happen that way. We were in a rush last night to get to bed because we had a bit of a late bedtime. So I woke up this morning and one of the first things that I did was put their toys away. We definitely have to do another purge because the toy chests are not closing, and we do donate toys quite often. We just haven't had time lately. So I go through, I pick up all the toys, and then I vacuum as much as I can, keep things nice and tidy, and we're good as new. So here's our living room. This is the functional one that we sit in with the TV and everything. We do have a separate sitting room as well, but this is the main one that we love. The toy chests are not closing, unfortunately, but we're just gonna have to make it work for now. Tracing. You're so good at it too.
I trace on the lines. What's the next page? Tracing time.
Good job, Zainab. Mommy, what are you doing, Amina?
So on here you have to add capitals and periods.
That's right. We're sitting here doing our schoolwork. Mr. Maui over here is... Are you enjoying the sun? Hello everybody. So we have now finished schooling. I got some work done on the laptop. It wasn't really interesting, so I didn't really film it. And I also didn't film myself getting ready for the day. We are about to head downstairs and make lunch. I'm super excited to make lunch today because we are making a HelloFresh dish. If you've watched our videos before, then you'll know how much we love them, how much we love their meals. I'm so excited to share what we're going to be cooking up today, and let's get into it. We're so stoked to be able to partner up again with HelloFresh and bring this video to you today. If you don't know who they are, they deliver fresh, pre-measured ingredients right to your door with incredible seasonal recipes. And you can see here the box comes fully cold. There are actual ice packs in the very bottom of this that you can actually reuse, and all of the recipes and the meals come in their own individual packages. This is the reusable bags of ice that you can actually put in your own freezer and reuse. Okay, so we have picked the veggie patty melts with potato wedges. Super excited. What I love is that they actually tell you what is inside of the bag, what are the contents, what are the ingredients. It tells you all the nutritional facts right here. It tells you exactly how to start, if you need to preheat your oven or anything like that. Then step by step, they have the instructions on how to make your meal, and they are super fast to make. So we're gonna get started here. This is the bag for the veggie patty melts that we're going to be making. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so the girls are taking out all the ingredients.
We got buns. We got yellow onion.
We actually have a small toaster oven. It's easier to just throw things in here when we're in a hurry. So we're gonna just turn this one on and preheat.
What's up, everybody? So I finally made it home in one piece. Okay, not exactly in one piece. I got scratched pretty bad, gouged pretty good. Galvanized steel, that's what it does. So I'm home now for the funness of our HelloFresh lunch. I won't show you the time because it's a little bit late for lunch. It's you know, you have like brunch between breakfast and lunch. We're having like dinner or something in between lunch and dinner.
Okay, Zainab's going to film the potatoes being peeled. You got that in the shot, sweetie?
Yeah, I can see.
Good. What do you want to be when you get older? What do you want to be? A fighter?
And a police officer.
Yeah.
With 3 hats.
Yeah.
And a hair salon.
Wow, and what about, I thought you said you wanted to be a photographer too.
Yeah, that's 2. and I want to be a doctor in Gaza. Me too.
She's gonna do a lot of things, I think. Both of you guys are gonna do a lot of things. Okay, so we just put the wedges into the toaster oven and put it on for about 25 minutes, and then we'll come back to this after. Right now, it's fall, and they have a new rotation of weekly recipes, including hearty soups, comfort food that you guys love, chilies, and in-season fall produce to take advantage of for the season's freshest flavors. So everything is so delicious. I have yet to try a recipe from HelloFresh that I didn't like, and I'm a pretty picky eater. They have more 5-star reviews than any other meal kit, so you know that you'll always get something that's super delicious. And you can see how easy it is, you guys. Like, every single step is written out on the instruction recipe page, and it just makes it so simple to prepare anything, and it saves so much time from grocery shopping. They have so many quick and easy recipes, including 20-minute meals, easy cleanup, and low prep options. Okay, so the girls got really excited because there was pickles in the package, and they love pickles.
Where's Peter Piper?
So I just sliced up all the pickles, and there's the sauce, and the actual patties are done, and now Will is dealing with the bun situation. Why are they upside down exactly?
It's like an upside down cake, but for buns.
Oh.
You actually eat them reverse.
Oh, that's kind of interesting. Okay, so you put the barbecue sauce on top.
Yeah, you build your burger from this part.
Okay. And then you put the patties, the onions, the pickles, the cheese, and then the top buns. Heat the same pan on medium-low.
So we need the sauce.
And my most favorite part about using HelloFresh's meal service is the fact that everything is pre-portioned. So all the ingredients are pre-portioned for you. So that means less prep for us and less wasted food. You're not buying like a whole stalk of celery. It'll just give you like a portion of celery so that you're not wasting the food and you get exactly what you need. What's your favorite thing, onions or pickles?
Onions.
You like onions more? I like pickles.
All right.
I like the tanginess of the pickles.
Onions are just so good.
It smells really good.
Tastes really good.
Okay, so you got the pickles on. Then we need the cheese and the top bun. Guys, I only wish that you could smell how amazing our kitchen was when we were cooking this. It was so delicious. And I know you can't eat through the screen, but if you do want to try out HelloFresh, go to HelloFresh.com and use our coupon code SALEH14 to get 14 free meals plus free shipping. Like, I'm serious. You just need to try it. It's going to save you so much time and headaches. You're going to love it. How's the potatoes?
You got me some French fries.
Try the potatoes.
Potatoes are good. Let's dig in.
That sauce is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
What if it's too hot?
It might be. Look at that. Look at how awesome that looks.
Oh, you're dripping it on the
That's okay.
table.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's very yummy.
That is so yummy. I love the bun inside out. That's brilliant.
I'm a crunchy person. This is like heaven. We always toast the buns, and then we put the toasted side in, and you don't even actually get the crunch of it. How dumb is that?
That's so true. This is so brilliant. I love it. This is amazing. No, but the cool thing is I always save the recipe cards. I always save these cards and have them in the cupboard. Like I've made them again because I love them. I love them so much. So this one for sure is going to be on that list.
This is probably my favorite HelloFresh that we have tried.
It's delicious.
Because it's very much in line with my favorite food, which is
burgers and fries.
Burgers and fries. Or pretend burgers and wedges.
Remember this morning when I showed you guys how gray and cloudy it was? Look at it now. It is absolutely beautiful outside. And supposedly it's supposed to snow this weekend, so yuck! I'm not excited for snow, but man, me and Will are not winter people. Our whole family, we don't do any skiing or snowboarding or any kind of winter sports. We just basically like hibernate. We're like bears. We hibernate for the winter. We live and breathe blue sky, but it is what it is. Alhamdulillah, grateful for what we have. But when the sky is blue like this, I do like to come out and soak it up because blue sky is everything. We've already taken down the trampoline. For obvious reasons, this whole yard is going to be covered in snow in just a few days. There's a little side garden, and we've got a nice field in the back. No neighbors looking at us, which is lovely, but look at how beautiful the blue sky is. I just love it so much. I love the sunshine. I love the blue sky. I love the crisp air. Hi, Will.
Oh! Okay, look at my feet.
There's
Look
rain.
at my camera. Yeah.
What?
Can't tell I was you. I wear glasses, alright? I didn't for the other part of the video. Now I just look dumb.
Now everybody is like, why do you wear glasses?
Why, just to see. It's no big deal. Just to see.
Just to see. It's okay. It's fine. Y'all. November is going to be a fun month, so get excited. We're going to upload more frequently. And we're going to do a lot more content. We're going to get back to our podcast. We're going to start the video podcast that we promised that we would do but never actually did.
And
yes.
End of November. Something's going on.
Something's going on end of November that we can't talk about right now. So let's not discuss that. All right, guys. So this is our home office. We love that neon sign over there. Obsessed. We actually just rearranged this. This desk used to be over here. Now it's been moved over there. I love it so much more on this side, so then the sun doesn't directly like come into my eyes when I'm working. But I wanted to show you a sneak peek. Yes, I'm eating cereal. Definitely eating cereal at like nighttime. It's okay. Look at how awesome this is, you guys. This is the new Royal collection that we are launching November 1st. We're so excited. You guys are gonna love these hijabs. So obsessed. Anyways, I was just creating the banner and putting up the previews on the website soon, so it will be there. But yeah, here's a little sneak peek as to where we do the work, where we edit videos, where we film our podcast, where we run Lala Hijabs from. This is it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure that you click like,
Subscribe.
and leave a comment down below.
And the little bell notification, because if you don't, then you're not going to know when we upload. And if you don't know when we upload,
then why are we making videos?
that's it.
All right, guys, have an amazing day, and we'll see you later.